Hello everyone and welcome to our video today. We are diving into a very special retrospective designed for when the Scrum Master was on vacation during the last sprint. Let's start with some reflections on the past sprint. What happened and how can we summarize these events in our retrospective? We'll structure our meeting into 3 parts today: check-in, main part, and closing. For the check-in, we are using the number 85 greetings from the iteration method presented by the retromat.org, links in show notes. Here, each team member writes a postcard about the last iteration. Remember them what a postcard looks like. There's an image on the front, so room for creativity here, a message on one half of the back, and the address. So plan about 10 minutes for everybody to write the postcard, and after the time is up, collect and shuffle the cards. Then each person will read aloud the postcard they received. Now you've already gotten a first glimpse of what's been happening in and around the team during your absence. Next, we aim to gain further insights and decide what to do next. So in my example, I was vacationing in Iceland, and therefore we will frame our retrospective around the theme of Iceland today. So we depict things that are typical of Iceland and relate them to the sprint. Important elements include a volcano, rivers or small streams, and of course vast green meadows full of flowers. The volcano represents explosive things like bad energies, code issues, or other problems that have emerged or are still simmering beneath the surface. The river, on the other hand, symbolizes everything that has gone well. It's in the flow, so to speak. Here you'll find the good vibes and achievements. What is one thing the team wants to take from this experience and either continue doing well, change, or stop doing in the next sprint? Depending on the discussion, take this issue as an action item for the next sprint. Plan about 45 minutes minimum for the discussion and go on further if you need more time, but remember, time boxing is very important. For the closing of the retrospective, we plan a 5-minute checkout. What has pleased or surprised the team during the retrospective? It's a nice conclusion and a source of ideas for future retrospectives. Stay tuned for more Agile tips on our channel.